Today I will show you Dr. Clean Spray review, Miracle Cleaner or Total Flop, 2026. The product marketed as Dr. Clean Spray promises an all-purpose miracle cleaner, where you add dissolvable tablets to water in a refillable spray bottle. Then watch it cut through grease, grime, and stains on ovens, kitchens, floors, and more. Viral ads often show dramatic before and after cleaning results and make it look simple and powerful. However, real-world feedback tells a very different story. Independent review sites and consumer complaints highlight that the tablet formula often fails to dissolve properly, leaving residue rather than a potent cleaning solution, and the spray frequently performs little better than plain water on tough messes. Many buyers report it does not live up to its marketing claims and struggles with baked-on grease, heavy stains, or glass streaking. Customer ratings across Trustpilot show overwhelmingly negative experiences, with a very low overall score and frequent comments calling the product ineffective, overpriced, or misleading. Numerous users describe deceptive pricing, unexpected charges on their credit cards, and difficult or unsatisfactory refund processes even when a money-back guarantee was advertised. Multiple reviewers explicitly call the company's practices scam-like, including fake before and after images, AI-generated ads, and poor customer service. Some niche opinions suggest light cleaning tasks might see moderate results, but these are vastly outweighed by negative accounts and independent testing insights. At best, Dr. Clean Spray might handle very light surface dust or quick wipe-ups, but for serious cleaning tasks, it's far from a miracle solution and doesn't compare to established cleaners. Given the depth of consumer dissatisfaction and doubts about legitimacy, many reviewers advise avoiding it altogether and choosing proven alternatives instead. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.